I am done. I rinsed it out and then I put some of the Olaplex bonding 2, and this is what we have here. Whoa. The results, and I'm really liking it. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Cara color, and this is for a platinum blonde, cleanses and conditions, deposits color pigments, and brightens dual blondes. And then on the back it shows you if your hair is this color or that color. Hopefully you can see that. That's what it will turn like. I'm going to try this out. Do this real quick. At the end, I'm gonna do a gloss on my hair, and then we will blow dry. See how it looks. I've added this Cara color to my hair. This is Color Plus Conditioner, and it's for platinum. It cleanses and conditions, deposit color pigments, brightens dual blondes. And it says color while you cleanse. Cara Color Plus Conditioner is a non-lather conditioning cleanser designed to instantly infuse color into the hair with every wash. Add stunning hues, maintain vibrancy, and kick up your color between salon visits. So we're gonna give this a few minutes to sit in, and then we're going to go in and leave in this gloss for 3 minutes. Now I have the DP Hue Color Boosting Gloss in my hair. It says 3 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna do a few little things around here, make me a little lunch and grub. This is a coloring boosting color gloss, deep conditioning treatment, golden blonde. You get this at Ulta. I don't remember the price. It says here, color boosting gloss plus deep conditioning treatment is designed to enhance and eliminate color treated or natural hair, providing a freshly colored result in as little as 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Enhanced with a deep conditioning cream base and a gloss, leaves hair soft and shiny with no peroxide, no ammonia, and no mixing. So you just shampoo your hair and squeeze out the excess of water. Evenly distribute the Gloss Plus through damp hair. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Darker pigments may temporarily stain your hands. Wear disposable gloves if desired. Leave on for 30 to 20 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Longer processing time will give more intense results, especially with darker colors on highlighting and highly processed hair. Bright or more vibrant results can appear. For less intense results, dilute this